It's currently day 6 in California and we're at Los Angeles today. We're at Universal Studios and it's currently 12 p.m. here and it's like 38 degrees right now. Okay guys, we are at the entrance of Universal Studios and we're currently waiting for tickets to be sent to our email. It's going to be a little bit of a long wait, but we are balling. But anyways, I'll see you inside. Okay guys, we just made it past the entrance. We're inside the actual theme park now. So let's get into the ride. We're heading towards the Hollywood tour. Oh, wow. Just look at this. The carts down over there is where we are going to take the tour. And we're probably going around like the entire studio.
The very best guy. Robbers!
The following section is a collection of clips from the Hollywood Studio Tour. It may not be a lot, but honestly, it's something you need to experience for yourself.
Saw some crazy cool stuff, and we had a lot of fun. This tram has made its final stop, but don't be sad and blue, 'cause there's still one more thing that I'd like to say to you. Have a tram-tastic day, have a tram-tastic night. Watch your step as you exit the tram, and everything will be alright.
Guys, we just finished the tour, right? That was fucking amazing. The experience was really good. You could experience what it was like in the movies. But now it's time to head to our ride. Let's go. For obvious reasons, I didn't record any rides. Guys, that was literally fun! At least I got what the... And that was really cool, like, and chilling. Bro, the way that they... The way that the dinosaurs squirted water on me, like, I'm the freaking target going towards the Transformers right now, and it's going to be 3D, so that's going to be really cool. That was amazing.
Yeah.
Ooh. We are at Hogwarts. I think you can get like your own wands. Yo, what's in here? Yo, you can use a wand to open a door here. What the flip, dude? What the flip? I need to get myself one of the wands soon. Let's get ourselves into one of the Hogwarts ride. Oh, I just came back from the Harry Potter ride. I don't even know if there are many more rides to go to, but yeah, it was pretty fun. A pretty much good experience than the Disney rides, but hey, at least we had fun. So guys, I'm probably going to end the vlog here, and I hope you guys enjoyed the experience with me. So I'll see you guys soon in the next vlog. Goodbye.
Ha 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 ha.